In the world of logistics, the efficiency and consistency of all systems involved are what provide the decisive advantage you need. Schaeffler Logistics has worked with its partner, K.hartwall, to develop a new standard for goods transport. Our goal: maximum efficiency, optimum safety, and ergonomics in transportation and handling. All of the components of the new system have VDA dimensions and are compatible with one another due to the use of plastic returnable containers that come in sizes of 600 by 400, 300 by 400, and 300 by 200 millimeters. All packing units can thus be stacked neatly, and in addition, the system's consistency is impressive. The dollies with the correctly sorted standard containers fit onto the adapter pallet, which has the same dimensions as a Euro pallet. The ability to stack the loaded adapter pallets neatly, especially for transport in trucks, ensures optimum safety for the load. Locking bars secure the load against shifting and tilting. The compatibility of the cargo ensures correct axle load distribution for homogeneous loading and with consideration given to the load capacity. We will use a specific product as an example of going through the logistical process stages, and we have created a simplified visualization of the common logistics procedures. The plastic components fall into a container that is already on a dolly, and the container is transported away in a tugger train. The dollies are inserted with the guide rollers first to load the adapter pallet. The dollies are locked in place by means of a safety foot switch. The semi-automated straps are used to tie down the packing units to ensure safe transport. The use of VDA dimensions and general form fit allows the loading units to be loaded and unloaded quickly. The bar stock is requested from the raw materials warehouse via Kanban, confirmed at the starting machine through the barcode entry system, and the stock is removed from the warehouse shelf. The dollies are placed on a special lifting device to permit the parts to be stacked in the soft parts container and enables loading both from the front and from the side. Next, the transport units are taken to a FIFO lane and from there to the machine. For further processing of the parts, the dollies with the soft parts containers are pushed into a lifter. The containers with the finished parts and the dollies are placed on a loggy-trans and are prepared for pickup after labeling with a delivery note for finished product and a transport slip for ordering empty containers. The delivery of empties and pickup of finished product are combined along with a confirmation of the set delivery using the barcode in the transport guidance system. When the finished product is picked up, the pallet pickup is confirmed by means of a delivery note. In logistics, the barcode on the delivery note is used to create the shipping unit number, which is then delivered to the dispatch area of the warehouse. The Schaeffler Global Transport label is printed and attached, and the customer's e-Kanban is affixed. After the last pallet on the loading area has been entered, the transport documents are printed. Then the packing list is scanned for loading. The loading units are properly rigged in the truck with a tarp and metal hoops, and the driver accepts the transport documents. At the delivery plant, the components supplied are made available in the supermarket. External suppliers also follow consistency standards by using the same system. Rootman Container Technology lets us transport dollies with cages without having to use an adapter pallet. In manufacturing, the soft parts containers are labeled and handled ergonomically by a lifting device. The The loaded dollies can be joined by a drawbar to couple them to the tugger train. The lower the total weight, the higher the hanging load. There is an economic benefit. One train can replace 2 to 3 forklift runs. The soft parts containers are set down in the FIFO lane, scanned for the transport guidance system, and prepared for loading into the washing machine. Changing the boxes and heat treatment for the separation of hard parts and soft parts avoids mix-ups and helps meet customer requirements in line with the Automotive Industry Action Group standard. The heat-treated parts are dropped into stainless steel containers behind the furnace that have an identical shape and are scanned with the help of barcodes as part of the transaction entry system. The pallet lifters, containers, and transport system are all synchronized. The pallet lifter also permits the pallets to be removed in an ergonomical fashion and in an upright position. The parts are also entered into the transport guidance system for intra-company transport. During transport to the supermarket at the delivery plant, the parts are also entered as part of the transport guidance system. A Routmann container is used to deliver the products to the supermarket and is made available for further processing. The products are picked and placed on taxi carts and dollies in the order picking area. Tugger trains are used to deliver them to assembly in a synchronized way. The taxi carts are coupled safely by means of a reversed drawbar system. As in all other aspects of the work we do, occupational safety and ergonomics, as well as quality, take top priority. The handling of the new system components permits operators to remain almost continuously in an upright position, such as when preparing the parts for assembly on the machine or when safely emptying the train. Optimum synchronization of the tugger train is achieved with the help of Kanban tickets, allowing material for production to be provided as needed. Standardized lifting devices for handling the containers are an important part of ergonomic workstation design. The removal unit with a tilting angle of 180 degrees and a safety cover allows sensitive parts to be removed while minimizing nicks or dents. Back at the supermarket of the delivery plant, the parts are picked for assembly. The dollies with the various components, all the way down to packing material, are transported to the assembly line. Dual lifters can be used on machines with high cycle times. They are suitable for 2 CKLTs each with 400 by 300 or for 1 CKLT with 400 by 600 millimeters. For interplant transport, the dollies are equipped with a sliding handle and a retractable drawbar with Euro pallet dimensions. They can be neatly stacked and loaded. In shipping, the adapter pallets are prepared for delivery to the customer in the distribution center. The ratchets and appropriate locking systems are used to secure the load quickly and efficiently while also taking axle load distribution into consideration. At Bosch, our customer, the products are delivered in accordance with the principles of the Bosch production system, complying with predefined delivery times. Using the adapter pallet and the loaded dollies allows the products to be made available for production by the customer as a ship-to-line process. A standardized and consistent system for means of transportation throughout the supply chain, from the supplier to the end customer, paves the way for optimized, economical, and ergonomical logistics.